Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Pinterest account using your Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pinterest.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pinterest website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner from the home page and this will open up the login page. Now you will see an option to enter your email address and your password. And underneath this option, you will also see the Continue with Facebook and Google options. Go ahead and click on Continue with Facebook, and now you will be asked to log in to your Facebook account if you haven't logged in already. Just type in your email address or your phone number within the email or phone box, and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button, and you will be logged into your Facebook account right away. Once you have been logged into Facebook, you will simply need to click on the Continue As button, and you will be able to continue forth onto logging into your Pinterest account using your Facebook. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into Pinterest using your Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.